Hard at work at AVN. Oh, damn it. You alright, man?
Oh, no.
You ruined the pizza! You okay, man?
Yeah, okay.
Is the food okay? Is the pizza okay?
He's fine.
Okay, good. As long as the pizza's good, we're good, right?
It's all that matters.